Learn everything you need to know about the stock market with our beginner's guide. Learn the fundamentals of sound financial planning. Take the first step in your education right away.
Financial planning should be approached in a systematic manner. Knowing the difference between savings and investing has prepared us for a deeper look at investing. Determine where you get your money from and how much you make altogether. The next step is to determine how much money you'll need to spend. Acknowledge the fact that finding a middle ground is never an easy task for you. Most of the time, it will be tough to reach a positive balance, but this does occur. There is money left over after allocating funds for savings, which can be invested. The next step when you're ready to invest is to think about your financial planning. To put it another way, financial planning is the process of putting a strategy in place to help you reach your long-term financial goals. Like retirement plans, children's schooling, daughter's marriage, tax preparation, property purchase, and other financial aspirations are examples. One should have a good awareness of various investment sources, as well as their benefits and drawbacks, and should plan investing across numerous investment possibilities by following the investment mantra. Begin investing early, invest on a regular basis, and invest for the long term rather than the short term.